Good morning. Myself, Dr. Balasubramaniam, working as assistant professor in the Department of Zoology, Government First Grade College, Chintamani. Today, we will discuss about the BSc syllabus, that is first semester Zoology of Bangalore North University, and this is session 19. And today, we will see about the leuconide type of the water canal system as well as the Raganite type of the water canal system. So, to learning objective of the session today, to understand the leuconide type of the water canal system as well as the Raganite type of the water canal system. To know the leuconide and the Raganite canal systems with examples. Session outcome: the students will be able to understand the leuconide type of water canal system and the Raganite type of water canal system. To know the leuconide and Raganite canal systems with examples. So till now we saw the general characters of Porifera and classification of phylum Porifera, Psychon type study, there is a morphology, microscopic structure of the body wall as well as sexual reproduction, and in the previous session we saw the asconide and psychonide type of the water canal system. ಈಗ leuconide type of water canal system ಅಲ್ಲಿ leuconide type of canal system is a modification of psychonide type in many calcareous sponges. ಸೊ ಸೈಕನೈಡ್ ಟೈಪು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ಲ್ಯೂಕನೈಡ್ ಟೈಪು ಎವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಪೋರಿಫೆರಾದಲ್ಲಿ. ರೇಡಿಯಲ್ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ರೇಡಿಯಲ್ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಇಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕೆನಾಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಇರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್. ಈಗ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಲ್ಯೂಕನೈಡ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೆನಾಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ಡ್. ನಾವು flagellate chambers are small, spherical and lined by coinocytes. So is another characteristics feature. Flagellate chambers are small and spherical and lined by coinocytes. Next, flagellate chambers in turn communicate with the excurrent canal through apophyles. Flagellate chambers in turn communicate with the excurrent canal through apophyles. But excurrent canals are developed as a result of shrinkage and division of spongiocele which has disappeared. ಈಗ ಸ್ಪಾಂಜೋಸಿಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಸಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕೆನಾಲು ಅರೈಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಲ್ಯೂಕನೈಡ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೆನಾಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್, ವಾಟರ್ ಕೆನಾಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಲ್ಯೂಕನೈಡ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೆನಾಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ 3 ಸಕ್ಸೆಸಿವ್ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟ್ರನ್. ಒಂದು ಯೂರಿಫ್ಲಸ್ ಟೈಪು, ಫ್ಲಾಜೆಲ್ ಚೇಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಬೈ ಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಅಪರ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಅಪೋಫೈಲ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕೆನಾಲ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ಲೆಕಿನಾ. ಅಪೋಡಲ್ ಟೈಪ್, ದಿ ಅಪೋಫೈಲ್ಸ್ is drawn out as a narrow canal apodus. This connects the flagellate chambers with the excurrent canal. Example, Geodyna. A diplodal type, besides apodus, another narrow tube called procedus is present between the incurrent canal and flagellate chamber. Example, Spongilla. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, what this asconide type of canal system and this leuconide type of canal system. So lot of foldings are evolved there and the spongiocele is disappeared and the water enter in through the dermal ostia and the water exits outside. ಈಗ course of water canal system in the leuconide type of canal system, ingressing water, that is the dermal ostia, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇನ್ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕೆನಾಲ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪ್ರೋಸೋಫೈಲಿಂದ ಫ್ಲಾಜೆಲೇಟ್ ಚೇಂಬರ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಪೋಫೈಲ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಕೆನಾಲ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಪಾಂಜೋಸೀಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ದ ಸ್ಪಾಂಜೋಸೀಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ excurrent canal becomes a prominent part in the leuconide type of canal system. You can now see this type diagrammatic representation of the Euriflux type and the apodal type and leuconide type. So Euriflux chambers, apodal chambers are apodal type and apodal type. Raganite type of canal system, in the Demospongiae, leuconide condition is derived from larval condition called ragon. Spongiocele in ragon is surrounded by flagellate chambers opening into it through very wide apophyles. A single osculum opens at the top of spongiocele. Canal system of ragon larva does not occur in the adult sponge. Andre, it occurs only in the larvae and doesn't occur in the adults. Now Raganite type, Ragan larva, where this Raganite type of water canal system is there. Now we understood about the canal system and leuconite type of canal system and Raganite type of canal system. Apodal type of canal system is found in Geodyna. The correct answer Sycon, Gratia and Spongilla. Wrong answers. Uniflush type of canal system is found in Plekina. Diploidal type of canal system is found in Spongilla. Raganite type of canal system is found in larval form, not in adult sponges or adult branchia or adult Spongilla. Leuconite type of canal system is found in the dash forms. It is found in adult Spongilla. Thank you.